Okay, onwards. After India Inc.'s numerous sunrises, it's time for a daughter now to take over the reins.
Nisa Godrej, daughter of Adi Godrej, looks all set to take over as managing director of the group's consumer goods business. What's in store for this young heiress? Nithya Balakrishnan finds out.
Tanya, Firosha, Nisa, Adi and Parmeshwar Godrej's 3 children and the heir apparent to the Godrej group. After the 2 other siblings, it's now turn of 35-year-old Nisa to come into her own. Presently President of Innovation at FMCG major Godrej Consumers, Grapevine is the buzz that she is all set to take over as the managing director of the company very shortly. A graduate from Wharton and an MBA from the prestigious Harvard School of Business, Nisa is at home when at work.
Working at Godrej is just a wonderful opportunity. I think being young and Indian right now is a wonderful opportunity. We have our good days and we have our bad days. We have our arguments sometimes, but mostly it's been just working with family is fantastic, and we're a pretty close family, and we also hang out a lot, so it's not just about work.
Nisa's younger brother Firosha is already tailing daddy's footsteps and heads Godrej Properties, the group's real estate venture, while older sister Tanya Dubash is quite the marketing veteran for the Godrej Group and has over 10 years of experience under her belt. Coming into her own at the FMCG company looks imminent for Nisa, with the press and managing director Mahendran's contract expiring later this year. And senior officials at Godrej insist that Nisa has been hands-on with the 8 acquisitions of the company in the last 3 years. She's headed innovation at Godrej Consumers for quite a while now and finally looks ready to take charge of the entire company, one which is famous for household names like Hit, Synthol and even Goodnight, marking what could be her most important rise in her career at India Inc., a space that has seen far too many suns rise. Nithya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.
And with that, we wrap it up here on this edition of Business First. Thanks for watching.